earthquakes, hurricanes, tsunamis, floods, and wildfires. These are some of the most common catastrophes that can strike anytime at any place. To prepare for these emergencies, it is important to deliberately plan and prepare for emergency medical supplies to help sustain you and your family in a wilderness scenario. In many cases, having a first aid kit with essential medical supplies could mean the difference between life and death. Until you find your safe zone or until help arrives, self-reliance is crucial. So what emergency medical supplies should you have in your kit? Let's take a look at what any present-day prepper should have in a bug-out bag. First is the D&H Medical Self-Adherent Cohesive Wrap Bandages. Whether you're cooking in an open fire, whittling some wood, or hiking, incurring injuries is inevitable. The D&H medical bandages are made of 5 yards of soft, self-adhesive porous material that you can wrap and cover an entire wounded or injured area for maximum protection and your peace of mind. It also protects any injury from exposure to contaminants that may cause infection. Next is the SAM Medical Splint Roll. You could find yourself in a rough terrain, get your limb hit with a hard object, or fall off a rock. When a medical facility is nowhere near you, the SAM Medical Splint Roll does the job for any fracture on site. It can hold any extremity stable in a traumatic event, where an underlying injury, such as a fracture or joint dislocation, is suspected. Third is the Leatherman Raptor Emergency Shears with Multi-Tool. In wilderness scenarios where medical aid is rendered, you may need to cut the clothing off for you to reach the wound and treat it properly. A good pair of shears are handy, especially when wounds are in ticklish places. The Raptor is crafted with 420HC stainless steel to make quick work of different materials and medical supplies during life-threatening outdoor situations. It also features multi-tool functions of a ruler, strap and ring cutter, carbide glass breaker, and oxygen tank wrench. These are great must-have emergency medical supplies to stash into your kit. But what about an accidental boiling water spill on your foot? Or what if you get overrun by hordes of mosquitoes? Check out 7 other medical supplies you should have in an outdoor survival situation right in the description below. Or visit our website at www.presentdayprepper.com.